Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about interpretation. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about interpretation by substitution. So I will put about u equal to number 4 plus sine 2x. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one that is about the constant. This one that is about number 2 cosine 2x dx. But this is about number 4. This one is about number 2. So we need to multiply both sides by number 2. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 0, we put number 0 going here. So side of number 0, you got number 0. And that is about u equals to number 4. When s equal to 3b over number 4. So I will put this one going here. And we have negative number 1. So u equals to number 3. So number 0 we change for number 4. This one we change for number 3. This one we change for u. 4 cosine 2x dx we change for number 2 du. The interpretation of this one, we have negative number 2 over u, and we put the bounds from number 4 to number 3. And now we have the final answer. So we calculate this one, and we have negative 1 over 6. This is the end. Thank you for watching.